I had posted a reel recently which reached 1 million views in a day. Thank you so much for the love. You all asked for a detailed recipe video, so I made this again. When your soul craves for something very comforting and equally delicious, then make this, okay? We start by making dal. So wash the tur dal, add fresh water, add turmeric powder, salt, ghee, hing and pressure cook until soft. Mash it a bit and see, it's ready to enjoy with ghee. Next, take chopped onion, coriander, curry leaves, red and green chili, salt, extract tamarind pulp and mix. Have this together with hot rice and enjoy.